Welcome back to the 2-Minute Mechanic. We have power and we can stop, but what actually wakes the car up in the morning? That is the job of the electrical duo, the battery and the alternator. Many beginners think the battery runs the car. It does not. The battery has one main job, to start the engine. It is a big box of stored chemical energy. Once you turn the key, the battery dumps that energy to wake up the engine. Once the engine is running, the alternator takes over. It is a mini electrical generator attached to the engine. It spins around, generating electricity to run your radio, lights, and AC, while also recharging the battery for the next start. Think of it like your smartphone. The battery is, the battery. The alternator is the wall charger. If you unplug the wall charger, the alternator, the phone will eventually die. Here is the secret tip that leaves people stranded on the highway. If you see a red battery light pop up on your dashboard while you are driving, do not ignore it. Most people think, "Oh, my battery is weak, I'll replace it later." Wrong. That light usually means your alternator has failed. Your car is no longer generating power. It is running purely on the battery reserves. You have maybe 15 minutes of driving before the engine dies completely. If you see that light, turn off the radio and AC and drive immediately to a repair shop. Now that we have electricity flowing, how do we make the ride smooth instead of bumpy? Join me tomorrow for episode 5, the suspension.